Hi guys, welcome to couponing. This is Splintrose. How are you? Hope you're doing well. I'm doing well. I'm coming to you today because I have another couponing lesson for you. I'm up to lesson number 3 already. Lesson number 3. Okay, now when we did the first lesson, remember my couponing series is called Couponing Class for Newbies and Beginners. And lesson number 1 was I talked about getting ready, what you needed to do to get ready. I'm not going to rehash everything. I'm just going to rehash the title. Okay, so in lesson 1, it was called Getting Ready. Lesson 2 was called Let's Do the Haul, or My First Haul. Okay, and so, being that today is the day after the new sale began, I decided to come on and bring you couponing lingo or couponing language. There is a language to couponing. We know that every craft has its language, and couponing is a craft, and it's definitely not left out. So we're going to look at it as if it is a craft, and that we do have to have a language. We don't have to, but it does. There is a language that goes with it. So now that lesson 1 is complete, lesson 2, I said let's go do the haul. I hope some of you went in yesterday to CVS and did a haul, and I would certainly like to hear about how you did. How did it work out for you? And I hope that you did not try to do a haul like you see seasoned couponers do, because you're going to get confused if you try to do that. But if you go in and you try to do 1 or 2 things, you got it. That's on the money, okay? But anyway, guys, right now I'm going to talk about, this is lesson number 3, and it's called couponing language or lingo. All right? So one of the things that everybody's always asked me about is CRT. They said, what's a CRT? I don't know what that is. Now, a CRT is a cash register tape. It comes at the end of your cash register, okay? And a lot of times you look at your cash register tape and you see what's on there. You might get coupons. You might get extra care bucks. It might show you that you have points, plenty points if you're at Rite Aid, or it might show you that you have points if you're at Walgreens. But a cash register tape will show you exactly what is on your cash register. Actually, I just put a cash register tape down. So you know what a cash register tape is, right? That's what prints out when you make your purchase, and then you get your receipt, okay? All right, so the first one is cash register tape. The second one is, I think it's up here behind me, right behind me, up here at the top. Oh, and you can't see it, so I have to take it down. It's called IP. And IP stands for what? Let me hear you. Internet printable. You are right about that. And what is an internet printable? An internet printable is a coupon that you print off the internet. It explains itself, doesn't it? Simple as can be. The next one is MM. I'm going to let you try to guess them. And yes, I will hear you. Yes, it is. Money maker. And what is a money maker? It's a haul or a transaction that makes money for you. You make the money out of that particular transaction. And when you hear coupon and say, oh, that was a money maker for me, that means that when it was all said and done, after they used all their coupons, all their internet printables, all of their CRTs that they may have gotten out of the red box, after everything is used, they make money on the transaction. And that's called a MM or money maker. Okay? Our next one is this one. And it is N as in Nancy, L-A. Now, what does NLA stand for? Yes, you're right. No longer available. Isn't that self-explanatory? I don't have to explain it. That means that the product is no longer available. Whatever is there is no longer available. So, forget it. Okay, the next one is Peely. What is a Peely? A Peely is a coupon that you find in a store. It may be on a display, and you can take it right off of the display, or it might be on a product. You can peel it right off that product, okay? That's called a Peely. Okay, our next one is RC. RC. Rain check. Whenever a store is out of a product that you want, there's no more in the store, make sure you get a rain check, okay? And even with that rain check, make sure that if there's any type of special rewards attached to it, get the special rewards attached to it for yourself, okay? That's a rain check, all right? And then the next one is called stacking, and I know I have it behind me. Where is it? Right here. Okay, I'm going to take all these down. I put them up so that you could see them. Okay. All right, so this one is called stacking. Now, what is stacking? I'm not going to wait for you to guess it. I'm going to tell you. Well, stacking is using a store coupon and a manufacturer's coupon on one item. You may have a store coupon, you may have a manufacturer's coupon, and then you may have extra care bucks, or you may have plenty points, or you may have points from like Walgreens. You stack all of that, and it helps reduce your out-of-pocket expense. So that's called stacking, okay? Then the next one is tear pad. I think, yep, I have it up. Yep, I have it up here. A tear pad. What's a tear pad? Now, a tear pad is a pad of coupons that you find in a store. It you know, be kind of thick, and it's coupons, and you tear off the one that you want. So that's called a tear pad. The next one, I think I saw it behind me too. I guess it wasn't a good idea to put them up here. The next one is called a Blinky. Blinky. It sounds just like what it is. Blink, 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 blink. It's called a Blinky. And what is that? Oh, that Blinky is so slow. A Blinky is a place where coupons that come out of a plastic box that's attached to a shelf in a store. And most of the time, it'll be attached near a display. And the light, there's a little red light that'll be going on and off, on and off. And every now and then, and they have it set to maybe like 20, 25 seconds, a coupon will come out. And you can use that different coupon. So I think that's a great thing. So that's called a Blinky. The next one is a Catalina machine. And what is a Catalina machine? Well, it's a machine that prints coupons and money back offers. And you will find that machine like right next to the cash machine, the cash register machine. And when you go in Walgreens, there's always one, and I'm always looking for my register rewards to print out. And sometimes they don't print out. They print out all those coupons of getting eyeglasses or doing stuff that I really don't want to do. And sometimes my register rewards don't print out. But mostly, every store has one, even the supermarkets. When you go into the supermarket, they have a Catalina machine. And that's where it's not the receipt, it's not your cash register machine. It's different from that. It's gray, mostly gray, and it prints out coupons and money back offers. So that's a great little thing to know. So don't forget that. And what I'm telling you, you can stop the video, go back, look at it, do whatever you want to do, write it down so that you will have the information for yourself. Now, what is coupon database. Have you ever heard that? Coupon database. All it is a place to look up coupons. And you know who's good with that? I recommend him to everybody, and that's coupontom.com. That's a database. And there's another database that I used to use. I used to use this other database. It was I think it was called redplum.com and smartsource.com, and it would you would go into that site and it would have all the dates listed, and you go into the date that you want to see the coupons for, and you can see what date those particular coupons came out, right? Okay, so that's a good one to know. Remember your coupon databases. A lot of couponers also have databases, and I don't know all their names, so I'm not going to even try to begin to tell you who they are, but I do know about Coupon Tom, so use him. One other couponing lingo you need to know is WYB. And WYB means when you buy. You might see this abbreviated somewhere. Yeah, it's a B. When you buy, and it might make reference to you're reading something, and it'll say WYB, meaning when you buy 2, you get 1 free, something like that. You might see that, okay? But it's good to know, all right? Oh, this is one of my favorite. Here it is. Oh, I might as well take this one down too. This one I think is my favorite. It's called OOP. OOP. Yes, it's called OOP. Out of pocket. That means whatever I pay out of pocket, right? And I call it the OOP syndrome. Maybe I shouldn't call it syndrome because that refers to, but I call it OOP. All right, so it's out of pocket. Whatever you buy, whatever you spend out of pocket is OOP. All right, and then another one is BOGO. And we know it's buy one, get one. I first started seeing this BOGO when they were selling shoes with Payless. They would always have BOGO, buy one, get one. That's what it stands for. Buy one, get one. And sometimes it's buy one, get one, 50% off. So you'll buy one, you'll get one, and the next one you get, you're going to get 50% off instead of getting it free. All right, so that's BOGO. And then this one is called YMMV. Your mileage may vary, okay? Your mileage may vary. A lot of times when there are run deals or deals in a store and everybody's going for this deal, and sometimes when couponers go out and they can't get the deal, they will use this term, your mileage may vary, because it might be different in your area. Whereas my area might have this, have the glitch or the sale or whatever, and I can get it, but you may not be able to get it in your area. And a lot of times when there's a glitch, people be calling the stores and calling the managers and calling people like that. You should probably never call the store to ask them about a glitch, because then that gives them a chance to fix it, and then you can't get whatever everyone else was getting. But I guess it's the right thing to do. Is it? Anyway, so this is your mileage may vary. All right, so that is all of the couponing lingo that I am going to share with you right now. This is enough for you to get started and for you to know exactly what you need to know in reference to getting your couponing together. So lesson 3 has been knowing the couponing language. Okay, guys, thank you for joining me. Remember to subscribe to my channel, to press that notification button so whenever I put up a video, you'll be notified right away. This video is going to be put up under my playlist under tutorial videos, so you can find all my tutorial videos right there. Okay, so it was good sharing this little lesson with you, and I will be back for lesson number 4, okay, on where you can find coupons. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.